Great hydroelectric energy, you need two things: an abundant supply of water and an elevation to drop it from. Building a dam creates both. The dam creates a reservoir, which stores water until it's ready to use. Water enters the generating system through a series of giant intake pipes. It then travels down a steep pipe called a penstock, creating a massive column of water with a huge amount of force. At the base of the penstock, the water passes through a turbine. The giant blades rotate the drive shaft in the turbine, which is connected to a large generator. This converts the mechanical energy into electricity. The electricity travels along high-voltage wires to transformers, then onto transmission towers, where it connects into the provincial power grid. After passing through the turbine, the water continues through the tail race, where it rejoins the river below. A hydroelectric dam is a remarkably simple, sustainable, and clean way to generate huge amounts of power.